Hi everyone, I'm Jeremy.
Hi, I'm David.
And together we're the founding directors here at Phoenix International Stem Cell Clinic. Now, as we get older, or the more we use our joints and our spine, we start to degenerate, it stops healing, and we start getting pain.
That's right. So here at Phoenix International Stem Cell Clinic, we give patients treatments with stem cells and with concentrated movement to help them heal.
This helps our patients have less pain, more movement, and overall,
a better life.
What you're probably wondering if you're looking at this is what my next step is. And if you're wondering that, if you just go up on the website, you'll find that out. Or you're wondering about whether or not this is the right treatment for you, or you've probably just got a million other questions. So if this is the right treatment for you, that's a really good question. What are the normal patients that we see or have great effect with at this clinic?
So our perfect treatment, our perfect patient is the patient who has mild to moderate arthritis. And that means they have mild to moderate wear and tear. If you've seen a doctor who's told you you need a replacement for your joint, so you need hip surgery or knee surgery, that would be too advanced as a general rule for this. Now, we are open to doing case-by-case considerations, yes. But in general, mild to moderate disease, wear and tear, chronic pain, lower back pain, hips, knees, ankles and shoulders are the big ones we see.
Yeah, we really specialise in those. We specialise in patients that haven't responded to traditional forms of care. They might be physiotherapy, chiropractic, or normal pain injections, for example, but aren't good candidates for surgery, either because of poor health or too young, or because there is no surgery that can fix these types of problems. These tend to be our ideal patients, particularly shoulder, back pain, knee pain. These are really patients we have great effects with, and we tend to even outdo our own expectations with them. Definitely. So if you've got any further questions, which we know you have, we really encourage you to go and click on the part of our website that says "You Ask, We Answer." That's where David and I and the rest of the team here at Phoenix International go through and answer most of the common questions, if not more than the common questions. Also, you can check out our YouTube channel where we've got some great films, we've got some great cartoons explaining not just the process, but the science behind what we're doing. And also, if you want to just tell us directly about your case, you can click on the link below and that'll send us through a form that tells us exactly about you, your particular case. And if we think we can help you or you'd like to make an appointment with us, we'll get in contact. So, enough for us for now. Have a great day.
Have a nice day. Bye-bye.